Vaetrix Data Director lets you manage data logging files for your Bluetooth-enabled ETG digital pressure gauge. Launch the app and scan for available devices. Select your serial number and connect. You can configure, start, and stop data logging sessions. Use the plus or minus arrows or slider to adjust the logging interval. Let's start a session. Let's stop a session. Now let's upload the data logging results. Scroll through the available sessions and select the session to view the results. Let's choose session number 24. Zoom into the graph to see further details, or see the raw data by showing data. As you see, each point has a date and time stamp. Now let's save that session to the phone and rename it. Let's rename it again and save it to the cloud. To access the cloud file on your phone, log into Google Drive. As you see, Session Test 1 Cloud is here. Let's select it. You can now zoom into the details on the graph. Or look at the individual points as well. Now this could be done back in the office or anywhere where there is internet access. I'm going to send a PDF file via email to myself and access it on my phone using Outlook. Now let's use Safari to open Outlook and see the PDF file. The PDF file also gives you the ability to zoom in, see the graph, and the data. As you can see, the app gives you a variety of options to share the data in the field, therefore saving time, money, and ensuring a valid test result with date and timestamp. Thanks for watching this short video on the Data Director.
For more information, please visit Technical.